Welcome back. We are getting the adjoint of a 2 by 2 matrix, and we have examples on the board. So given a 2 by 2 matrix, given any 2 by 2 matrix, we know the elements A, B, and C, D are written in that manner. A, B, C, and D. Now, the adjoint of a particular matrix like this one, A, B, C, and D, is given by swapping elements in the major diagonal. So in our case, elements in the major diagonal are A and D. These are the elements in the major diagonal. So getting the adjoint of that particular matrix, we need to swap these elements. So we swap. A comes to where D is, and D goes to where A was, so that our adjoint will look like this. This is where A was, and this is where D was. Now we have swapped them. So this is basically what we are supposed to do. We swap elements in the major diagonal, and the elements in the minor diagonal we multiply by -1. Elements in the minor diagonal we multiply by -1. So that here we have -b, and here we have -c. Okay, let's get the transpose or the adjoint of the matrices that we have been given. So looking at A, 1, 2, 3, 0, the adjoint of this matrix would be, so we swap elements in the major diagonal. So you can see here we have 1, here we have 0. So we swap them. Where we had 1, we put 0. Where we had 0, we put 1. And elements in the minor diagonal, we multiply by -1. So the adjoint of this matrix becomes this one. Elements in the major diagonal, we swap their positions. Elements in the minor diagonal, we multiply by -1. Okay. Looking at example B, where we have -4, -2, 3, and 1, the adjoint of this particular matrix will be given by, again, we need to swap elements in the major diagonal. So elements in the major diagonal, here we have -4 and here we have 1. So we need to swap these two so that here we have 1 and here we have -4. Now elements in the minor diagonal, we need to multiply by -1. So you can see the elements that we are going to have here. We have -2 already. So we say -2 by -1, we shall get a +2. +3 by -1, we shall get -3. So basically, this is the adjoint of this matrix in B. So getting the adjoint every time, we swap elements in the major diagonal, and elements in the minor diagonal should be multiplied by -1, as we have done here. This is the minor diagonal. So elements in the minor diagonal should be multiplied by -1.